What's going on, guys? Gus One Bear. Now, Christy and I have spent a beautiful afternoon out here at Key Largo. We're checking on our crab traps, and now we are anchored at a sound, and we have decided that we're going to go ahead and install some LED lights on the boat. That's right, folks, we are out on location, but these are not going to be hardwired. These are wireless. So stay tuned. You're watching Two Bears Outdoors. Alright guys, so this is not our original idea, but it's pretty brilliant. We actually got this idea from a fellow YouTuber,
Saint.
the letter B, Saint. And he's got a really cool video where he was using these battery operated LED lights. And that's where we got the idea to prepare our boat for the parade in a very short period of time.
Boat 24 checking in.
Radio check.
Check loud and clear.
Thank you. We only had it like a week, and then we realized, oh, they're having a Christmas boat parade in Key Largo, and we're like, hey, that would be fun to take part in. So we had to come up with some way to put some lights on our boat in a really short period of time.
Well, to come up with lights and have them hardwired, it would take too much time. We really don't want any additional holes in this boat. But when we have a boat, we love to have our lights. Folks, this is a very inexpensive, a very easy way to just light up your boat, and it's just so much fun. These lights, they change colors. You have
remote control.
It's all remote control. And I tell you what, we've already had these lights for about 2 months now, and every time we're out in the water, we're using these lights 6 to 8 hours. And the cool thing is they are waterproof, but
they're submersible.
And they are submersible.
Submerge them in
yes.
Submerge them in water.
So we
hey guys, so we're excited to show you all how we're going to do this. So just now I can't stop. So you have these. This is what you're going to affix the lights with, and then these are the puck lights that we purchased, and they're submersible, and they also have a remote. Let me show you that. Yeah, see, they come with a little remote. And this pack the packs that I bought, there's 4 to a pack, and they also give you 4 remotes. I just don't have them all in this box, but they give you a remote for each light, but that one remote will work for all of them. So you could just put those extras away, and then one breaks or you lose it or whatever, then you've got another one. So I got these on Amazon. Again, they come 4 to a pack for this one that I bought. And the command strips I also got on Amazon, which you can get them at Walmart or whatever these, but I just ordered like a big multi-pack of them, so that way we would have plenty. And because you're actually going to use 2 strips on the back of each light. Okay, so this is the puck light, and you just screw the bottom off of there. And then you have your little AAA batteries. It's already on. Okay, so now we're going to put our command strips on the back of our light. You're going to put one along each side of this little ridge here in the middle. And now the ones that I got, you can get some a little shorter ones, but they're not as wide as these, and I wanted to have a lot of the Velcro to make sure it holds it really well. So what I did was, this is how long they were originally, and I just cut that much off, and that way they should fit. You can see they'll fit about right on there, just perfectly. You want to leave this because if you wanted to take this strip off of your light, you need to be able to pull that strip. And you want to get it about right there, right along that little ridge, and as centered on there as you can. And really push on it. And again, put the other one on the other side of that ridge. Just press it down really well. Okay. So there you go. You've got your Velcro on the back part of your light. So now we have to figure out the different spots that we're going to put our lights. Oh boy, look at that.
Caught it with a popping cork and a cascading creases. Beautiful.
Look at that.
But one area that I will highly recommend, if you have a spot on your boat that's recessed, like for us, we have this area right here. Okay. Now, as you can see, and turn it on, boom. Change the color and gives it like a really nice glow. Here's the other side. And again, these are very simple, very easy. Just untwist it. You got the battery, change them up, put it back on. And there you go, you're good to go. Turn it back on. Voila. Go through the color changes. Well, guys, what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? I'll tell you what, this is a neat way if you want to get some lights up on your boat quickly, inexpensive, and also maybe give you just an idea so when you're ready to wire your boat and get your permanent lights on, you kind of know exactly how things are going to look. And I tell you what, for us, it works. Now guys, if you haven't, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and once again folks, till the next time, you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.